Hello guys, kamusta kayo? Guys, meron tayong ayusin ngayon, dalawang printer. So yung una ay Epson L3110. So yung pangalawa ay Epson L4160. So guys, itong Epson L4160, ang problema daw nito ay the ink pad is the end of service life. So yung ginawa ng client ay sinubukan niyang palitan ng waste ink pad. So ito, ganun pa rin daw yung lumabas na problema. So ayusin natin to. Tapos yung isa naman, yung Epson L3110, kapag nag-print yung client, walang lumalabas na black, walang lumalabas na color, yung yellow, yung magenta, at saka yung cyan. So guys, ayusin na natin.
Outsourced adjustment program. Test print.
The printer is now ready.
So yun guys, tama yung client. Walang lumalabas na kulay, black, yellow, magenta, and cyan.
Dismantling. Guys, wala pa rin kulay na lumalabas kahit na tinulungan natin ng syringe yung printer. So ayaw pa rin. So subukan natin palitan ng printer head. So meron akong spare na printer head dito. So ganito yung printer head guys. So ayan. So subukan natin palitan. So guys, replace natin ng printer head.
The printer is now ready.